Hey there! Tired of seeing the same old battery icon on your Xiaomi phone? No worries, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through how to change that battery icon in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First up, grab your Xiaomi device, open the Settings app. Then, scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications and Control Center. Next, scroll down again and tap on Status Bar. Now, tap on Battery Indicator. Select your preferred battery icon style from the options available. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the new icon right in your status bar. Oh, if you're looking for something more customized, check out the theme store for additional options. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to change the battery icon on Xiaomi phones. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Interested in more Xiaomi tips and tricks? Subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.